Hi guys.
Hi.
Welcome back to our channel.
This is Joe.
I'm Lisa.
And if you're new here, please consider subscribing.
Welcome first of all. Welcome. We're on our way to 100k.
No. 1k. We're not even at 600. We need 5 more people to get to 600.
And then after that, we're on our way to 100k.
No, 1k, then 2k, then 3.
Okay.
Go slowly.
Okay. Right, today we're going to try something that we've not done before. We're going to show you snippets of our week, right?
Oh, yes.
So we're going to be trying a weekly vlog. And we got a new piece of equipment. In fact, it's not even new. I think we got it from December.
Yeah, for birthday.
Yeah, from December, and we have not used it. So it's a
DJI Osmo Pocket.
Right,
camera.
that's the name of it. And that's what we're going to be using. So this intro part is on our regular Canon camera. And then after that, we're going to try and use the DJI for the weekly vlog. Come along, tell us what you think about the new camera. Is the footage good? Is the lighting good? Whatever. Tell us what you think. Okay, see you soon. Well, first we're going to go on the road. We need to mail some letters off, return one package, and we also need to take some things to the charity shop.
So let's go.
Let's go. Right, so we're in the car now and we're on our way to go to the post office first, right?
Yes.
But before we do, we're going to mask up, then we'll be on our way.
And it come with it. Follow you now. Move and come over here, sir. Yeah.
Thank you.
Lisa. Yo. It's Thursday. We're working. We've got our laptops up. Try to say that fast. Laptop up. Anyway, yeah, it's Thursday. We should have vlogged this morning. We didn't do much, but Lisa is making chicken soup.
Yeah.
Chicken soup for lunch.
Yeah.
So when we take our lunch break, I'll show you my chicken soup. Hope you're having a good day. My day is going well. Everything's fine. It was It's a little bit sunny now, a little bit overcast. Earlier on it was rainy. In fact, hail. In fact, we had hail this morning. But all is well otherwise. Hope you guys are doing well and seeing a gist of what we're up to.
One of these days, guys, we're going to share with you all that we have in a week. But this is today's lunch. It's chicken soup, Jamaican chicken soup with pumpkins, dumpling. There's my nice red juicy Scotch bonnet, yam. It's going to be delish.
Here's my little joke for the day. Ooh, I have my ice lol after lunch. Right, what did the math book say to the chemistry book?
What did it say?
You're so lucky you have so many solutions. I only have problems. Haha. If you think my joke was bad, share your joke in the comment section below with us. We're going outside now just to put some kitchen scraps into the compost bin. We think it's a great idea, and every year we get really good compost from this that we use in the garden. Just a bin that we bought. Put a hole in the bottom, put it on the ground, and just add your kitchen scraps, your lawn cuttings, any dry leaves, paper, empty toilet rolls. All that makes really good compost. And then I'm going to be checking out my flowers and strawberries while I'm out here. In a few more days, these should be strawberries. All these white blossoms will be strawberries.
Hi! Oh, never mind the hair, it's hair washing day today. But before I go wash my hair, I've just made some flapjacks and they're cool now, so I'm taking them out. Oh, usually I don't make them in these cupcake containers. I usually line a dish with tin foil, but I've run out of tin foil,
so I made them individually. It was then time to wash and dry my hair and get ready to hit the road. So this is Joe giving me a hairdo, hair done. These are the products that we use after the hair is washed. Ooh. It's a beautiful sunny Thursday morning. We're going on, what's it called? Flapjack delivery. And also to send off some snacks for the uni girl, a little surprise. Let you say hi to Leisa. Hi. Hi. It's a nice day. It's really sunny. No coat needed.
Yeah, after lots of days of rain, non-stop rain, hail, lots of hail yesterday as well. Weather is just so unpredictable here.
When we get back home, I want to show you how we package the flapjacks this week. We make them this week. Lisa made them individually, and I'll show you. Right, so now I'm going to go into the post office to mail off this package for my girlie, my uni girl. Mask on. So I'm going to put my mask up. Thank you for the reminder. Going in now. While I stay in the car and watch TikTok. TikTok and stuff. It was such a lovely day. Instead of just going back home to carry on working on our laptops, we decided to take a brisk walk. It was nice and sunny out, and there's this park nearby with a nice walking pathway. There were quite a few people on a walk as well. And we've decided this might be a nice spot for our next picnic. We might choose a tree, bring some chairs and our picnic basket, and just enjoy the lovely weather. Hopefully it stays as it is now. Nice and sunny, not too cold, not too hot either. And so here's a sweet treat at home waiting for us.
Hiya! Well, we've come to the end of a lovely week. I hope you enjoyed the little snippets of our week that we shared with you. Today, I think we should share more. I like doing the weekly vlog. Yeah, we'll do some more of the weekly vlog. Sorry. Today, I'm cooking. I'll put some clips in at the end of dinner today. We're making fried plantain, spicy rice, oxtail, what else? Potato salad, and some maybe slices of tomatoes and so on. I'll show you later on when I make it. But for right now, this oxtail is in the slow cooker. And apart from that, what else will we have on today? Oh, we have a video that we're filming for a brand, a Jamaican brand today. So we have that to exciting. Do. And apart from that, it's chill, YouTube, relax, just relax. Netflix. What are we going to watch today? I started The Circle. Oh yes, I like The Circle. We're watching the American version of The Circle, and it's so far it's good. Yeah. It's okay. If you've been watching, let us know and let us know what you think. I don't like the swearing bit, too much swearing, but it's an interesting social media experience, experiment as well. Yeah. That's been interesting. But anyway, guys, have a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining with us again, and we hope that you'll be with us in our next weekly vlog. Bye.